Hello students, in this video you will find live method of preparation of white vitriol. Live method of preparation of white vitriol. White vitriol ZnSO4.7H2O. Then preparation of white vitriol. White vitriol, lab method. This is which method? Lab method, laboratory method. Now, first method of preparation. First point, method of preparation. Method of preparation. This is simple displacement method. Simple displacement. Simple displacement method. There is two displacement. One is simple displacement and another is double displacement. Which method is used? Simple displacement method. Number two, what are the reactants used? Reactants used, required. One is zinc granule. You can say zinc granule. Zinc granule and dilute sulfuric acid. Third point is principle. What is principle of this method? Highly reactive metals are on the top in the activity series, but all the metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series are called reactive metals. They react with dilute acid to form respective acid salt with the release of hydrogen gas. All reactive metals react with dilute acid to form respective metal salt and hydrogen gas. Here dilute sulfuric acid is used. The reactive metals, zinc is a reactive metals. It reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Now fourth method, fourth point, reaction. Reaction, let us say, zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This zinc sulfate during crystallization combines with 7 molecules of water to form white vitriol, ZnSO4.7H2O. White vitriol. This is formula of white vitriol. Now fifth point, procedure. What is procedure of this one, lab method? Now listen, procedure. Point wise I am telling this procedure also. Number A. Take about 50 milliliter dilute sulfuric acid and 5 gram zinc granule. 50 milliliter sulfuric acid take in a clean beaker and 5 gram zinc granule you take. But zinc granule you add to the acid taken in a beaker little at a time. Small amount of zinc granule you add in several installments till no further dissolution, till no more dissolution occurs. You will add continuously till no more dissolution occurs. If dissolution of zinc granule stops there, then undissolved, unreacted zinc will settle down at the bottom. Now, second point, number B. Now that content of the beaker, you heat on a wire gauze and stir with a glass rod till the effervescence of hydrogen coming out from the content of the beaker stops. When effervescence formation stops, then it indicates that dilute sulfuric acid taken in the beaker has completely reacted with granules. Now, next point, number C. Now, filter the content of the beaker and collect the filtrate in a clean another beaker. Next point, number D. Now transfer the filtrate from clean beaker into evaporating dish. This is another type of dish. You transfer it to evaporating dish and evaporate the filtrate till crystallization appears, up to crystallization point, till crystallization appears. Next point, number E. When crystallization appears, formation of crystal appears, then you stop heating and allow the evaporation dish to cool slowly. After some time, needle-shaped zinc sulfate heptahydral ZnSO4.7H2O crystals are observed in the evaporating dish. Next point. Now you filter these crystals and wash with clean water, distilled water, clean water, wash with that and dry between the folds of filter paper or in hot air. This is the way how you will prepare white vitriol. Same method is used for preparing green vitriol. Green vitriol is also prepared by same method. The formula of green vitriol is FeSO4.7H2O. Green vitriol is also prepared by the same method. You will understand very easily. First point, I told you green vitriol formula FeSO4.7H2O. Second point, its principle will remain same, method will remain same, reaction you will remember. For this one, reaction you will write this way. For green vitriol, there you were taking zinc, here you will taking iron filling. Fe plus H2SO4 form FeSO4 plus H2. Here FeSO4 during crystallization combines with 7 molecules of water to form ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrates FeSO4.7H2O. Rest process will remain same and you will get green vitriol. In place of zinc granule you are using here iron filings. Rest steps will remain same. Reaction is different. Reaction I have given here. That's all for today. Thank you again. Next class, in next video, I will give you again most important thing about the preparation of salt. Thank you.